refraction at a convex spherical surface. If you consider one convex spherical surface, one side is a denser medium, another side is a rarer medium. This is a convex shape. So O is the object, I is the image, A, P, it's a curved shape. Here one create one angle alpha. Here one angle created beta. So you draw one imaginary line normal. So it will create one angle theta 1, here theta 2, here one angle created gamma. So now the distance between object and pole u, the distance between P to I, V. So distance P to C is radius of curvature R, C is a center of curvature. So rarer medium mu1 refract index, denser medium refract index mu2. Now consider a triangle OAC and ACI. First OAC consider. Theta 1 is equal to alpha plus gamma. So theta 1 is nothing but the sum of the two angles, alpha plus gamma. This is one triangle OAC. So interior two angles, sum of the interior angles is equal to theta 1. So theta 1. Next ACI, gamma is equal to beta plus theta 2. So gamma is equal to theta 2 plus beta. This triangle, if you consider this triangle, these two values, sum of these two angles is equal to outside angle gamma. So gamma is equal to beta plus theta from theorem. Now Snell's law. From Snell's law, you see, mu1 this side, theta 1 left side, theta 1 mu1 left side, right side mu2 and theta 2 right side. So it's a rarer medium, this side denser medium. Now according to the Snell's law, mu1 into sine of the angle theta 1 is equal to mu2 sine of the angle theta 2. Here we have tan alpha you have to find. You take one triangle, this imaginary other side, H, O, M, A, O, M, A, you take A here, O, M, A, one triangle, you take tan alpha is equal to opposite H, adjacent U, opposite H, so tan alpha. Like that tan beta you take this side, this triangle, opposite side by adjacent V, H by V. Tan gamma is equal to, gamma means small triangle, this side, so gamma, H by, here P to C radius of curvature and M to C also radius of curvature. Because of P and M, it's a very less value, so you have to equal. Don't consider small value, because of they will not changes any value in that final answer, so it's negligible. So you can take PC or MCR, both also are, so you can take adjacent side R. So now from sine and tan, it's a neglected because of very small values, so it will become sine and tan is neglected. It's a very important, sine and it's a neglected. So you will get from first formula, this is equation 1, you can get mu1 theta 1 is equal to mu2 theta 2. So cross multiply, theta 2 want to find, mu2 cross multiply, mu1 by mu2 into theta 1. So theta 1 value already you know that one, so substitute here. So theta 2 is equal to mu1 by mu2, theta 1 value already you know that one, so substitute alpha plus gamma. So now already you know the value for gamma value, so gamma is equal to beta plus theta 2 from here, So you substitute this value here. So we can find gamma is equal to beta plus theta 2 value, already you know that one, theta 2 value, already you know the value, mu1 by mu2 into alpha plus gamma. Now mu2 is take LCM, so gamma is equal to mu2 beta plus mu1 alpha plus gamma. Now mu2 cross multiply, mu2 gamma is equal to mu2 beta, this mu1 multiply inside, so plus mu1 alpha plus mu1 gamma. So gamma you take one side, so mu2 gamma minus mu1 gamma is equal to mu2 beta plus mu1 alpha. So gamma you take outside, gamma is equal to mu2 minus mu1 is equal to mu2 beta plus mu1 alpha. So already you know the value for already here tan, if you remove means it will become what? So tan and sin is this is very small, so you neglected, so this value will become alpha is equal to h by u, beta is equal to h by v, gamma is equal to h by r, because of tan is neglected. So you substitute the value alpha and beta value, substitute. So gamma value already you know that one, h by r, mu2 minus mu1, and then mu2 beta value h by v, and then plus mu1 alpha value h by u. So here you take h is common, mu2 by v plus mu1 by u, here h by r, mu2 minus mu1, so h cancel, so mu2 minus mu1 by r is equal to mu2 by v plus mu1 by u. So according to sign conversion, u is equal to minus because of left side, and then v is right side plus, and r also right side, radius of curvature also right is plus because of Cartesian conversion. So now substitute, so mu2 minus mu1 by r is equal to, so mu2 by v minus, we can write minus mu1 by u, so we can write so now mu2 minus mu1 by r is equal to mu2 by v minus mu1 by u. This is a refraction at a convex spherical surface equations. Very important 3 mark question.